hello, Preeti ji.
Hello.
Hi, Madhu, just tilt your phone a bit. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna putting you on spotlight and Preeti. There you go.
Hello, Madhu.
Hello, Preeti ji.
Yeah.
I just had a question regarding my son, who
Huh.
is 30 years old, and
Okay.
he's not earning at all. He's not financially independent. He's not earning anything. He doesn't want to take up a job. He wants to do business, but he is again unsure. He's got no money to invest because he's already lost some money earlier. So we are also not, into giving him too much so that he doesn't again lose it.
Hmm.
So I just want to know, when will he start earning? When will he become financially independent?
Give me a moment. What is his name?
Sudhir Sharma.
Yes. So what has come up is there are certain blockages with Mr. Sudhir. Okay. So that's why the business part is not working. And for the next 2 years, it is not possible. The guidance comes as at least for the next 2 years. This even if he starts, it will be very, very slow. There will be no much
Okay.
profit. Yeah, there not much growth. So
Okay.
certain solutions have to be done. Certain remedies have to be done, and then it will start helping him.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much, Preeti ji.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, thanks, Madhu. And Somali, are you here? Yeah, you are. Okay. Hi, Somali.
Hello. Yeah. Yes. Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Yeah. So, ma'am. Yeah. So, ma'am, my problem is related to health. Like past 13 years, I'm suffering in a rare autoimmune disease. Okay, I have I have gone to the best doctors in Mumbai, and they have told me that there is no permanent solution or cure for this. I have tried Ayurvedic, homeopathy. Ayurvedic, though I have tried like 3-4 times. Okay, so unfortunately, my disease has over the time has progressed only. So I'm looking for some alternate remedies. So I come to know about this modality. So I'm looking for a guidance that I want to know why I'm suffering in this, that I'm not getting any solution, and what is a cure, if at all is there any, so if you can get me a guidance through any masters or any my spirit guide, it would be really great helpful, ma'am. Thank you.
Somali,
Yes, ma'am.
the guidance is come. Masters are telling that this is a past life issue.
Okay.
You really need to do your past life regression therapy to come out
Oh.
of this solution. You will get a
Oh.
solution there.
Oh,
You have to do past life regression therapy because you're very healthy in your past birth, in your past life. You're
okay,
very
okay.
healthy. But the suffering has come due to certain karma. You need to clear out those
Okay.
karmas. So
Oh, okay.
it's a very strongly guidance that a session, see, a past life session can be in a single session, it can be resolved, or it
Mhm.
can take 3-4 sessions. But definitely this problem will be gone with past life
Okay,
regression
okay.
therapy.
Okay, ma'am. Understood, understood. Okay, sure. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks, Somali. And Preeti, Ishita has asked, I'm busy on those days. Is it possible to enroll in the next batch? Ishita, 2 options have been given. Are you saying that both options you're not, you're busy? Just clarify that for us so that we can answer your question for you. Shrishti, you have a question to ask, which is sounding quite personal. If you're willing to come on with that, please do. We'll bring you on. I'm just taking on a few questions about the packages that have happened. And for everybody, we will take on as many people as we can till we have time. And Preeti is back tomorrow at 11 a.m. again. So Linny's also asked, she has a question coming to me as lost her cousin brother in an accident. Before leaving that day, he had told her something and she wants to know about him. Is it possible? Is it possible?
Pardon?
Her cousin, she lost her cousin brother in an accident.
Okay.
And before leaving that day, he had told her something. So she wants to know about him. Is it possible?
I need to take a permission because it is not a direct for me. I don't do deceased directly. So I go through my masters. So that may take time, you know.
Right.
I have to take permission and the permission of the deceased. And then the answer will come.
Okay. All right. Shrishti, repeating again, you did have a question. If you want to come on, just get yourself on video so that it's just that much easier for us to get you on. Okay. Okay, you are here. Shrishti Goel, right? Yeah.
Hello, ma'am. Thank you so much for bringing me on.
Hi. Hang on.
I want to ask you, I've just been married for a year and I've been facing a lot of marital issues and there is no compatibility or there is no communication between me and my husband, and I wanted to know whether that is because of some past life karma or what is the solution that I can get.
1 second, Shrishti. Shrishti?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you given your prayers to your Kul Devi?
During the marriage, yeah, I mean, otherwise I don't usually pray to the Kuldevi.
Okay. Okay. So the guidance is coming that you need to offer your prayers to your Kul Devi, and This is your soul group. This is your soul group. You need to do very simple forgiveness healing. It will help you in a week or in a 1 month or maximum 3 months. Within 3 months, this will help you. See, when I after asking the question, I use my pendulum, it'll tell me whether this guidance is right for you or not. So it's coming as very much it is right. So there are two things. There are two things that you need to do. You need to offer your prayers to Kul Devi, Shrishti.
Ma'am, one question. Is it my Kul Devi or is it my husband's Kul Devi?
You're married into the family, so the family Kul Devi.
Married life Kul Devi. Okay.
Yes. Right.
The forgiveness.
So the offering, have you ever done the offering to the Kul Devi?
No.
Okay. So the offering is coming as a sari, a blouse piece,
Okay.
dry coconut,
Okay.
sugar,
Sugar. Okay.
the crystal sugar,
Okay.
cardamom,
All right.
the betel leaf and the nut, flowers,
Okay.
bangles.
Okay.
The sari and the bangles in the blouse piece can be green color.
Okay. Green. All right.
Green color.
The sari, the bangles, and
Blouse piece
okay, the blouse piece. Okay.
and rice.
And rice.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
is
this
there a
is
particular quantity for all these things or just like small amounts?
one sari, one blouse piece, 1 dozen bangles, 1 kg rice, half a kg or 1 kg sugar, pan supari, that is the betel leaf and the nut, flowers,
Yeah.
cardamom. Cardamom can be like 10 grams. Yeah.
And the leaf and all, like
the betel leaf can be 2. We always offer 2. 2 betel leaf and 2-3 pieces of supari, the betel nut.
okay. Yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah.
This you will be doing it on Tuesday.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Just do it at least continuously for 3 years. You can do it for the lifetime. It is good.
So every Tuesday for 3 years, I have to do this.
Once in a year, yes.
Okay, once in a year. Okay. All right.
Where is your Kuldevi?
Sambar, I guess it's in Rajasthan. So I'm living in Jaipur right now, and my husband's Kuldevi is from Rajasthan only.
Okay. So is it possible to go?
I'll have to find out with the family.
If it is
because
possible to go, you please go and offer it in that temple. If it is not possible at present, nearby whatever Devi temple is there,
Okay.
you go there, you say, I look at you as that particular, take the name of that Devi. You are that Devi for me at present. I look at you as my Kul Devi and please accept this offering.
Okay. All right.
Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Thank you so much. I cannot give thanks enough.
Please do forgiveness healing technique. It will help a lot along with this.
Okay. So I should go to a healer and get forgiveness healing done?
I will put it in the Telegram group, the forgiveness healing. So that will help you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you
Yeah.
so much. Thanks
You're
a lot.
welcome.
Thanks, Srishti. And Preeti, you just said that you're going to put that technique in the group so all of us can use it?
Yes, whoever requires this technique in life
Right.
for
Right.
any relationship issue, You can use it. There is no harm in using it.
Oh, very nice. So, well, thanks to Shrishti, we've all gotten something that we will be able to use. So, glad that happened. Question in again. Pragya has asked, when we book a session, do we ask all our questions and then the writing will happen, or do we ask them one by one? You know, in your
No,
package A.
You ask all the questions, and then because I cannot stop in between and do for every single. So once the flow starts, I would like to go through the whole flow.
Yeah, and in fact, we've seen a bit of that right now, because at the beginning, it almost felt like, you know, you told Shrishti that please go to Kuldevi and do forgiveness thing. And then suddenly it was like, okay, the sari, the bangle, the blouse, the cardamom, the pan, patta, everything was flowing out after that. So we just got a glimpse of that as well. Pragya, I hope that answers that for you. And Pallavi's asked, will we get certificate after workshop and recordings of the sessions?
Yes, you will get the certificate.
Okay. And are they called replays? Because I know with certain modalities, sometimes replays are not really set up, because there's a lot of high energy work that's going on.
Exactly. So the meditations are there. So there are no replays.
So but the meditations you'll have access to all the time, right?
Yes.
Those recordings you'll have.
Yes.
Okay. All right. And Dorothy, we'll take you on if you're willing to, if you're here and willing to come on video. And that's it. I'm just trying to make sure that we're covering at least the questions for anything related to the packages first right now. Okay, I think we have. All right, so just again randomly getting people on. Dorothy is on video. Okay, so Dorothy has a question for her child, regarding her child. Hi, Dorothy.
Good. Hi, good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi.
Okay, so basically I'm a single mother, and I lost my husband in 2019 to cancer. So I have like 2 kids. One is 14 and one is 10. So my daughter is still fine in terms of studies and everything, but my son, he troubles me a lot. So I'm like really a bit worried about him. I just wanted to know, like, you know, like how do I guide him? What should I do? I feel like helpless here at this time.
What is his name?
His name is Vivan.
Vivan.
Vivan Pirani.
What is his age?
He's 10 years old, ma'am.
Pardon?
10 years. 10.
Dorothy, for your son, Bachelor remedies will work very well.
Bachelor remedy.
Bachelor remedies will work very well.
Okay.
So find a practitioner, a good practitioner, and yes, do the flower remedies. It will make immense difference.
I mean, I have no idea about bachelor.
Dorothy,
like, whom do I approach?
Yeah, Dorothy, just get in touch with the team. In fact, I'm letting Shilpa know right now that after the call's over, we'll have somebody, we'll have a set of names sent across to you.
Okay, ma'am. Okay,
so don't worry, you'll have only the best being sent to you. So don't worry at all.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, lots of questions coming in. We're very close to time. I think we probably have time for just one, maybe two more. I want to let everybody know that Preeti is here again tomorrow at 11 a.m. And okay, so Pragya, are you here? Would you like to come on? Is this Pragya Garg?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, you were same, right? You were traveling, I think, the last time.
Yes. I was traveling that day.
Right. Okay. And people, this is purely coincidental, okay? Before you say anything to me on the group right now. Okay. Go ahead, Pragya, go ahead.
Hello, Pragya.
Hi, Preeti, how are you?
I'm good. Tell me.
So Preeti, I basically am 36 and I have, every area of my life is pretty stuck. So whether it's my health, whether it's relationships, whether it's marriage or my career or finances. So I just wanted to know that what are my blocks and how can I remove them, or can they be removed on their own?
Can they be?
Can they be removed on their own? Because I'm pretty stuck and pretty tired.
Pragya, you should activate your root chakra and you should balance your 5 elements. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to activate your root chakra. So you will have to chant. You will have to do the chanting at least like for 10 to 15 minutes with the Bija mantra called a LUM.
Okay.
LUM.
Okay.
If you are unfamiliar, YouTube pe hai this Bij mantra. So you initially you can go to the YouTube and you can chant along with it, and then later on it will be practice. Just one day it will take. And the 5 elements, you have to balance your 5 elements. The Panchatattva, what we call it, the fire, water, air, the Panchatattva. So you have to balance your 5 elements. One more thing is there is no grounding.
Yeah.
There is a lack of grounding. So do your grounding exercise. Get connected with earth energy.
Okay, so how do I balance these elements and do the grounding?
Grounding. Earth energy. See, we are on Earth. We are on planet Earth. So the earth energy is very important to materialize anything in life. So that's why do your grounding.
So how do I do these 2 things, like balance my elements and do the grounding? Is there any technique? Is there anything on YouTube? Would you send something?
Grounding is very easy. You can do gardening. You can walk on a grass. It's easy. Balancing of 5 elements will take longer time over here.
Okay.
I'm sure Neelu can help you in this. Neelu, are you there?
Yeah, very much here. I was feeling my Wi-Fi fluctuating a bit, so I just switched the video off for a bit. Pragya, you know what you have to do? You take on a detailed consult with Preeti. She'll be able to guide you way more in detail with that. But for now, you at least start with your grounding and chanting for the root chakra to activate it, right? Okay, awesome. Thanks, Pragya. And
thank you.
Uma is here. This is we're at time. I think this is probably the last one we'll be able to take on right now. Uma.
Thank you. Good morning, good afternoon to both of you. It's really a great pleasure meeting you, and you're doing a marvelous, service. I'm really inspired. Thank you. I do have many questions. So as of now, there's a lot of blockages. I'm not sure, like, where am I heading to? Because I lost my loved ones in a span of 10 years. I've lost 2 of my dear ones. I would really, want to know what are their ambition, what was the purpose, like what was the reason for that. Yeah, but you had just mentioned previously saying that you need to take the permission. So
Right.
whenever you are able to get the permission, please, as a small humble request from my end, if you can get me the message of both of my daughters, that would be great. And now the question that I would like to ask is like, what is the purpose? Where am I heading to?
Uma, one question.
Oh, sorry. Okay. Yeah. The purpose of life. Sorry.
Your
I just-
purpose? All right.
What is the
Go
purpose
ahead.
of my lifeline? Where am I heading to? The only desire or the choice that I have is I just pray to Sai, to show the purpose and to serve the people until my last breath. Sai.
Are you chanting mantras?
Pardon?
Are you chanting mantras?
Yes.
Yes. So you can help people with your mantra chanting
Sure.
because you're good at it.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. So my only, what is like, I don't know how many days that I'm going to live, but I pray to Sai, like, as long as I'm living, I would like to do the best that, is possible, whoever steps into our door. So I am also a healer, a doctor, homeopathic doctor, alternative therapies. So wholeheartedly I do is I pray to Sai, as well as I'm also a tarot reader with the angelic blessings.
But yes, I agree. But whatever you're doing, add mantra to it.
Sure.
For different purpose, for different life solutions, there are different mantras. So for you, it is specifically coming as mantra healing. So whatever you're doing, add mantras to it. It will become more powerful.
Oh,
whatever you're doing, it will become more powerful. It will benefit more to others.
Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. The mantra to be chanted mentally, or should I verbally?
No, you can chant mentally. See, for example, somebody is coming to your place. You're giving a glass of water. Just take that glass of water, do your mantra chanting for 2 minutes, and offer that water. So that water has become powerful. That water has energized. So you're giving it that to that. That will help. That is what I'm telling as mantra healing.
Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Thank you, Uma.